Ingrid lives in the country of Romania. On her first day of kindergarten, she was so excited. What would her teacher be like? Would she make any new friends? But soon, she didn't want to go to school anymore. Her parents wondered what had happened to their bright, cheerful girl. Ingrid's mother asked why she didn't like going to school. Ingrid explained that their teacher often left them by themselves, and when she wasn't in the room, the kids were mean. Ingrid's parents were sad and wondered what they could do to help their daughter. Then they heard about a nearby Seventh-day Adventist school. They heard about how caring the teachers were and that the children were happy at this school. Ingrid and her parents went to visit the Adventist primary school. They met with the principal, toured the campus, and visited the kindergarten class. At the end of the visit, Ingrid and her parents were very happy. This would be Ingrid's new school. The next day, when Ingrid stepped into kindergarten, the teachers and students warmly welcomed her to class. Ingrid enjoyed her new school very much. She especially liked learning about Jesus. She learned about how much He loves us and how He died for our sins, rose again, and is now in heaven preparing a place for us. Each day, Ingrid shared with her parents what she had learned. Her mother was happy to listen, especially when Ingrid shared what she was learning about God. But her father didn't seem interested. At school, Ingrid learned how to pray, so she started praying for her parents. She also learned about the Sabbath and how her teachers and many of her classmates went to the nearby Adventist church. She talked with her teacher about her wish to go as well, and her teacher invited the family to visit the church the next Sabbath. Ingrid was so happy to hear her mother agree to go to church, but wished that her father would go too. So she kept praying for him. On Sabbath morning, Ingrid and her mother went to church. She enjoyed Sabbath school and liked how the teachers asked the children Bible questions. Soon she was answering the questions too. Week by week, Ingrid and her mother, and once in a while even her father, came to church. Months went by, and Ingrid finished kindergarten. Both she and her parents were happy with her experience at the Adventist school, so she continued studying there. One day when Ingrid was in the second grade, her father announced that he would start coming regularly to church with them. Ingrid was so happy. By the time Ingrid was in grade 3, her parents were taking weekly Bible studies. That spring, they gave their hearts to Jesus and were baptized. Ingrid planned to be baptized as soon as she was old enough. Ingrid is now 11 years old and in grade 5 and is very happy at the Adventist school in Romania. She loves to read books and learn. Ingrid wants to become a doctor and neurosurgeon so that one day she can help people in need. Ingrid prayed and taught her family about Jesus. Just imagine who you could share Jesus with.